Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. I am an actor and a theater artist and a teaching artist for Community Word Project. So today we are going to do some physical and vocal warm-ups, and we are going to end with an activity called an object monologue. So the good news is you don't really need anything for this today except your own body and your voice. And at the end of this video, you'll just need to find one everyday object you've been using since we've all been quarantined at home. So one object. Start thinking now, what's an everyday object I've used? For me, it's a coffee cup. So just start thinking, what's one object I've been using every day since we've been stuck inside? Let's just take a moment. And we're gonna stand in what's called an actor's neutral position. So here, my arms are at my side, my head is relaxed, my shoulders are back, and there's a little bit of a bend in my knees. So this is actor's neutral. And here, I'll just invite you to close your eyes and just take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up your tummy, and let it out through your mouth. So we're just taking a moment to ground ourselves here. Our feet are planted on the ground. And take one more deep breath in through your nose. Filling up that belly like a balloon, and let it out through your mouth. Awesome, good job. Okay, let's just stretch our hands up over our head. And just really reach for the ceiling. Reach, reach, reach. And now let's have our right hand reach a little bit higher. And our left hand will reach a little bit higher. And then we'll just bring our hands back down to actor's neutral. And we're going to roll our shoulders back. Once, oh yeah, twice, and 3 times. Now we'll go the other way, roll your shoulders forward. Once, twice, 3 times. Nice. Now we're just gonna drop our chin to our chest, and really gently, you're gonna roll your head to your right shoulder, roll it around, and be careful not to crunch the back of your neck. Roll it all the way around. And now the other way. Roll it around to the left side. And if it doesn't feel good, don't do it. Any of the stretches we do today don't really feel good to you, you don't have to do them. You can do something a little bit different, whatever feels nice. Now let's raise our shoulders up to our ears and drop them. And up to your ears and drop them. Really, really nice. And now we're gonna take our chin again and just tuck it down. And we're gonna roll down through our spine, all the way down. Keep a bend in our knee. Your head and neck is down, so you shouldn't be looking at me. So we're hanging down just like this, and then we're gonna slowly roll up, vertebrae by vertebrae, on the count of 10. Here we go. Slowly roll up. Your head is the last thing to come up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And your head is the last thing. Great. So hopefully you feel a little bit warm. You can like shake out a little bit. And let us do a little facial massage, because as actors and theater people, we need our face to have a lot of expression. So we're gonna take our closed fist and you're just gonna massage this jawline here. So I'll turn to the side. So we're gonna massage just where your jaw comes together, your bones right here. And you're just gonna release your energy like this. I know it might look a little silly, but it feels nice, right? Getting all that tension out, because you use these muscles so much every day talking. And we need to be really relaxed for the work we'll do. There we go. And then we're just gonna take our fingers and warm up under our eyes, and warm up our foreheads, and warm up under our eyes, and warm up our foreheads, all around our face. And we're gonna take another breath in through our nose. This time, we're gonna blow out through our lips. Warming up our lips. One more time, in through our nose, and we'll blow out that way through our lips. And notice when I breathe, when I say in the beginning to use our tummy, that's how we breathe. So we'll fill in like a balloon. So your belly should be getting really big every time I say to take a deep breath in. So one more time, let's breathe in and through our lips. Filling up that belly and great. Back to actors neutral. We're gonna do a really fun, kind of silly warm up. It goes kind of fast, so follow me. Here we go. Just repeat after me, everything I say and do, and then we'll add our own twist at the end. Here we go. Head and shoulders, baby, 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Head and shoulders, baby, 1, 2, 3. Head and shoulders, head and shoulders, head and shoulders, baby, 1, 2, 3. It should be really, really, really fast. Knees and ankles, baby, 1, 2, 3. Knees and ankles, baby, 1, 2, 3. Knees and ankles, knees and ankles, knees and ankles, baby, 1, 2, 3. Again, really, really quick. Pick the apple, baby, 1, 2, 3. Pick the apple, baby, 1, 2, 3. Pick the apple, pick the apple, pick the apple, baby, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're really using our faces. Pick, right? Here we go. Scoop the ice cream, baby, 1, 2, 3. Scoop the ice cream, baby, 1, 2, 3. Scoop the ice cream, scoop the ice cream, scoop the ice cream, baby, 1, 2, 3. Around the world, baby, 1, 2, 3. Around the world, baby, 1, 2, 3. Around the world, around the world, around the world, baby, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this time, I'm gonna try to put the whole thing in order, and then you can try after me. So here we go. Head and shoulders, knees and ankles, pick the apple, scoop the ice cream, around the world, baby, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Head and shoulders, knees and ankles, pick the apple, scoop the ice cream, around the world, baby, 1, 2, 3. Now this time, let's add in our own, and you can add in whatever you want. We'll do the whole thing again, and at the end, I'm gonna add in my own. Here we go. Head and shoulders, knees and ankles, pick the apple, scoop the ice cream, around the world, quarantine, baby, 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. So hopefully your body is feeling really warmed up, really, really great, and energized right now. You have your everyday object, and a piece of scrap paper, and a pen or a pencil, something to write with, right? So this is just for you. So it can be a scraggly piece of paper, that's fine. All right, we are going to turn our brains on as actors, our actor brain. We're gonna write a monologue from the perspective of our everyday object. So if this coffee cup could say, what has been going on every day, what would they say? So I'm gonna give you the following prompts, and you are going to write briefly from the perspective of your object. So the first prompt is, I notice. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to write something from the perspective of your object. And at any time, if I'm going too quickly, just pause the video, take your time and write, and then you can come right back. Prompt number 2. I feel. Now remember, we're writing from this perspective. I feel. So if your object had a personality, could speak, what would they be saying right now? I wish. I wish. So what does your object wish they could do, they could say right now? So that's your last prompt. I wish. So you have something written for these 3 prompts. You have an object monologue. So I'm going to share out what I wrote about my object. Here we go. I notice how sleepy you are each morning and that you stayed at home each day. I feel hot and full in the morning, but I am empty and drained by the afternoon. I wish that I could go to a cafe again and see all my other friends and get caffeinated all afternoon.